Welcome to the How To Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate one column into two separate columns. So in this example, I have a column with first name and last name, and I want to separate it into two columns where I have one column with the first name only and the second column with the last name only. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a column to the right so that when it separates the first name from the last name, then we can have this column including the last name so that it doesn't override this column here. So next, I'm going to highlight my entire column that includes the first name and the last name. And then I'm going to click on data, and then I'm going to do split text to columns. And then I'm going to separate it by space. And once I've done that, you can see that the two columns have been created, and we have first name in one column and last name in the second column, and it didn't override the information that I had here. That's why I included this additional column so that it would separate it out without overriding my existing column. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.